Thanks, Melinda. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. Pretty nice day today. We are going to get a little unsettled, though, as we head toward the evening. A cold front is going to be moving to our area. Right now, though, things are pretty quiet, and we've seen a mixture of sun and clouds, and most of the day it has been dry, at least for the next few hours. Through dinner time, I'm thinking things will stay pretty tranquil. But after that, especially around sundown and after, we're going to start to get a little bit more unsettled. We've been a little bit more warm, and we're starting to get more muggy too as some more moisture starts to build in. We've had more of a southerly wind flow today. So compared to some more fall-like days we've had recently, today felt a little bit more like summer. Most of us sitting in the upper 70s and low 80s right now. Pineville's still at 83 this afternoon. Bluefield at the Mercer County Airport checking in at 78. Again, you can still see the mixture of sun and clouds we've got in the background, but you can also see what's coming if you look at the satellite and radar. We've had some stronger storms firing off with a separate disturbance to our south and east today, but most of us again have stayed quiet. It's what's coming in from the west that's going to be impacting us tonight. Again, this is where that cold front is. You can literally see this line of showers and thunderstorms right along that frontal boundary. This is cooler, dense air. It's going to undercut this kind of warm and muggy air we've got in place, and that forces the air along this boundary to rise. And that's how you get your clouds and condensation. As that air is rising, it's cooling down, it's condensing, it's making that liquid. So we'll see some showers and storms as that boundary is pushing through, especially overnight tonight. And we could see a severe storm. I'm not going to completely rule it out. The chances are pretty low, especially with it coming in, most of the activity coming in after sundown. But we could see a severe storm, gusty winds, possibly some heavy rain, but I'm not expecting any tornadic activity or anything like that, which is some good news. But there'll definitely be some heavier downpours. Here we are at 7 o'clock. We've got these storms kind of encroaching on that western periphery, and then it'll start to slide. Showers and thunderstorms on and off throughout the night. We stay pretty mild and muggy, 50s. We wake up tomorrow morning and everything's wrapping up. We should be nice tomorrow afternoon. Very dry air, cool fall-like air coming in for Thursday and Friday. And then summer lovers, you'll start to get your wish again back by the weekend. Kind of a battle between the seasons this week. Another thing we're watching, again, it is the peak of hurricane season. It's actually about to be statistically the peak this Friday. Hurricane Larry causing some large swells along the western Atlantic coastline today, but the good news is this storm continues to move off into the Atlantic in the coming days. The Gulf of Mexico, though, very warm right now. You only need 80 degrees or higher to get hurricane formation, and there is a disturbance that could become our next named storm very shortly. So that's what we're watching in the coming days. So as far as our extended forecast goes, to recap, cool and dry once this front gets through here tonight for Thursday and Friday, a little bit warmer through the weekend. Next week looking more like another summer week, at least for one last time.
And again, your photo behind the 7-day looks like a very summer-like scene. Catherine, where was that taken?
Tazewell County, back of the Dragon. You drive up. This is to